Hi there. Let's look at this 2023 August question. It says, in the diagram, OA equals 2A, AB equals B, OC equals 3B, M is the midpoint of OB, and OC is parallel to AB. Expressed in terms of A and OB, want to find OB. So first of all, this is vector geometry from paper 2. So what must we keep in mind when dealing with questions on this? So number one, you must take this like a road, a map. Now on this map there are roads. Some roads can be used, some cannot be used. For example, this road can be used. Why? Because it's got a direction and a vector. If you look at this road and this road, these two roads cannot be used because they don't have directions, nor do they have vectors. So I want to find OB. Now what does OB mean? OB simply means we on point O, we want to go to B. So we are here on O, we want to go to B. So how do we move from O to B? So to move from O to B, you say you move first from O to A, and then from A, that's when you reach your destination, which is B. So what I'm saying is OB will be equal to OA plus AB. So OB will be equal to OA is 2A plus AB is B, or vector B, and that will be our answer. Number 2, we want to find CB. So on point C, we want to go to B. Now we can't use this road here because there's no direction, there's no vector. But instead, how are you going to move from C to B? You move from C to O, from O to A, and then from A to B. So CB will be equal to CO, CB will be equal to CO. So of CO plus OA plus AB, like that. So CB will be equal to CO. Now we're moving from C going to O, meaning we're moving in the opposite direction. So we get that as negative vector 3B. So negative 3B plus OA is 2A. AB is simply just B. So from here, we collect the like terms. So we have CB be equal to, now the 2A is alone, plus B minus 3B. So CB will be equal to 2A. Now B minus 3B will give us negative 2B. And this will be our answer. Question 3, we want to find AC. Number 3, we want to find AC. Now AC means we're on point A, we want to go to C. So how are we going to move from A to C? So move from A to O, and then O to C. So AC will be equal to AO plus OC. So AC will be equal to, now AO, we're moving from A going to O, so we are moving opposite the direction, so we'll get this as a negative. So say negative 2 vector A plus OC is 3B. OC is 3B. So AC here, I'll just put the negative guy inside by saying 3B minus 2A, and this will be our answer. Question 4, we want to find CM. Now CM, how do you move from C to M? Now there's no direction here, there's no vector, there's nothing. So what do you do in this case? You go to the question. In the main question it says M is the midpoint of OB. M is the midpoint of OB. Now if M is the midpoint of OB, then it is a half of OB. Okay? So for us to find CM, we'll move from C to O. We'll say CO plus, now for us to move from O to M, we'll say OM is just the midpoint. M is the midpoint of OB. So we say we just want 1 over 2 OB. So CM will be equal to, now CO, we're moving from C to O, we'll get negative 3B plus 1 over 2. Now what is OB? So OB is this answer we found in the first question, which is 2A plus B. So from here CM will be equal to negative 3B. Now 1 over 2 times 2, these 2 and that 2 will cancel, and so you just have positive A there, plus 1 over 2 times B, you get 1 over 2B. So from here, you're going to say CM will be equal to A plus 1 over 2B minus 3B. So CM will be equal to vector A. Now what is 1 over 2 minus 3? 1 over 2 minus 3. So this is over 1. The common denominator here is 2. 2 into 2, 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. We have a minus there. 1 into 2, 2. 2 times 3, 6. So you get negative 5 over 2. So you say minus 5 over 2B. And this becomes the answer.